Biology, Botany, Part 1, Chapter 1, Introduction, Lecture number 5. Lecture by Mr. Aamer Zareen, appointed at Nustrat Bhutto Government Degree Boys College, Lyari, Karachi. Disease control. Advancement in the biology has improved our health conditions by disease control. Different diseases can be controlled by prevention measures, vaccination or immunization, drug treatments or gene therapy. Preventive measures. Advancement in biology has provided information about disease-causing agent and its mode of transmission. Some diseases can easily be avoided by simple preventive measures. For example, AIDS, which stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, caused by HIV, which stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. AIDS is transmitted by sexual contacts, contaminated syringes or instruments, or blood transfusions, etc. HIV and hepatitis viral infection can be avoided by checking their modes of transmission. Vaccination or immunization. What is vaccination? What is vaccine? It is a modified toxin that produces an active immunity, or dead or weakened viruses or bacteria which produce active immunity. What is vaccination or shot? Administration of vaccination for the purpose of inducing immunity is called vaccination. For example, polio, whooping cough, mumps, measles, etc. are controlled by vaccination or shot. Immunization. Process of rendering that an animal become resistant to infection is called immunization. Discovery of vaccine. Edward Jenner in 1796 discovered vaccine from cowpox pus. Word vaccine is derived from Latin word vacca, which means cow. Vaccination makes the people immune to the viral or bacterial epidemic or outbreak. Some viral diseases are managed by the vaccination and vaccinating individuals in early ages. For example, smallpox has been totally eliminated from the world by using vaccination technique. AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, vaccination is also developed on the experimental basis. Drug treatment or gene therapy. There are different treatments and therapies which are in practice to combat diseases are as follows. Number 1, antibiotics. Number 2, radiotherapy. Number 3, chemotherapy. And number 4, gene therapy. First of all, come towards the antibiotics. What are antibiotics? These are such compounds which are synthesized or excreted by microorganisms to kill or inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. Antibiotics show activity till the bacteria have not developed resistance against them. For example, streptomycin and penicillin are well-known antibiotics. The second thing is radiotherapy. What is radiotherapy? In such therapy, cancerous part of body is exposed to short-wave radiation by radioactive material. This treatment is repeated at regular intervals. Chemotherapy. In such treatment, Certain anti-cancer chemicals are given to patients at regular intervals. Such treatment may kill both cancerous as well as normal body cells. Gene therapy. In this technique, defective genes are repaired. In this case, normal gene is isolated and is inserted through bone marrow in the host. IDM, Integrated Disease Management. It is a program to fight against different diseases by awareness about the problem, causes, and cure. Importance of IMD. IMD is effective program for elimination and control of dangerous diseases from humans. Dear students, this is all about the today's topic, that is disease control and its different strategies and techniques. So goodbye, stay home, stay safe.